Assalamualaikum and hi. Welcome to my video resume. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Muhammad Nurul Badri. I am 23 years old and I am from Perai, Pulau Pinang. I am a graduated student from University Technology Malaysia Skudai in Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering, majoring in manufacturing. If I have to describe myself in 3 words, I will choose versatile, positive-minded, and fast learner. And because of that, I am capable of handling many software such as MATLAB, SolidWorks, CNC, Unigraphics, and Dev C++. Also been involved in many projects during my university days, which is building a portable mosquito trap, fabrication of music box, fabrication of auto stacking machine, and also my final year project, which is further improvement of dual heating oven. Apart from my academic qualification, I also have been active in extracurricular activities. I am the co-director for Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics, STEM program during my 3rd year, and I also have been nominated as Vice Treasurer for Society of Manufacturing Engineers SME. In 2019, I have been working at Malaysia Transformers Manufacturing Center Berhad as a trainee for 3 months. My job there is to assist the industrial engineer on production planning management and improving productivity of the plant. Although I'm still a trainee there, but I have been assigned to prepare a new plan layout for the company. If I have what it takes to be part of your organization, you can contact me at. Thank you for your time.